Hi, I'm Andrea Brunsendorf, head gardener of Lowther Castle and Gardens here in the north of England, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite plants for the early spring. This is Cornus Cornelia cherry, and it's one of the plants that you can really use in a garden that is exposed to cold, windy, unpredictable and very prolonged springs, aka what we experience in the Lake District. It is a very hardy plant. It's hardy to zone USDA zone 4, so it can take up to temperatures of -20 Celsius. It is a European native, normally found along woodland edges. It comes into bloom probably around the end of February, so it's kind of that sign winter is nearly over. Now, I have a lot of time for it because I do love its beautiful yellow stars. They're like little yellow pom-poms. And then it goes on flowering throughout March. It's one of those early flowerers that is also a very good food source for pollinators. As I was standing here, I just saw a little fly going about its ways. And then in the summer, it produces this wonderful fruit that are a delicacy with our local bird life. But in the ancient days, the fruit was preserved and then also worked into syrups. And then in the autumn, it has quite a striking color. It's purplish red. It's also a very adaptable plant. So it's not fussy about soil type, not fussy about pH. It does prefer rich to well-draining soil. It's kind of an all-round package. This plant, in terms of its habit, walks on the wild side of things. It has branches that can go down to the ground. So I think it really suits, a shrub border. It suits a edge of a wild woodland garden, or we have it on the edge of our wildflower meadows. But if you would like to grow it as a small tree, off you go. Except if you're very precious about your lawn below it, it might not be the right choice, as it might sucker.